Hi families, I'm going to talk with you about how to use a visual schedule at home. A visual schedule is a representation of what's going to happen throughout the day or within a task or activity. It's helpful for breaking down tasks that have multiple steps. It's also very helpful in decreasing anxiety and rigidity that can often surround transitions or uncertainty around what's going to be happening next. So the first step is that you're going to want to have some practice with the first then boards to practice using the visual schedule. Or if your child's already using a visual schedule in the classroom, then there's some foundation there for them to be able to generalize that skill at home. So you're going to want to pick out the activities for the day that are important, making sure that you are interchanging some preferred activities and non-preferred activities. In the next photo example, you'll see some different options for visuals. You can use photos, you can use drawings, you can use words, depending on what you have available to you at home and what best meets your child's needs. When it is time for an activity on the schedule to occur, you'll cue your child with a brief verbal instruction. For example, you might say, "Check your schedule." This helps your child pay attention as the next activity begins. The next video clip demonstrates how a visual schedule can be used at home.
Morning, Addie. Oh, it's time for breakfast. Let's check your schedule. Look, friend. Look, it's time for breakfast. All right, look. It's time for breakfast, Ads. And we're going to get dressed, watch TV. Breakfast first. Look, time for breakfast. Come on over. Here's your schedule. Breakfast, get dressed, watch TV. Then we're going to work, outside, and lunch. First, breakfast. Here's your bowl. Good job. Let's go get some oatmeal.